It's a pretzel! No, it's Mr. Mike! Oh, it's a pretzel! Today, everybody, guess what we're gonna draw? Wait a minute. We're gonna draw a pretzel! That's right! Oh my goodness. We only need 4 basic lines and shapes to create this pretzel. A circle, an arc, a line, and a U. Are you ready to see how we can make our very own pretzel? I don't think we want to eat it though. All right, let's get started drawing. We're gonna start with an upside down U, and it's gonna be kind of on an angle right here. So we'll start here and bring it just like this. Just like that. Upside down U shape. And now we're gonna do the same thing right here, all around it. So start here, you're gonna go around, just like that. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. So we're gonna make a point here, we're gonna come around and make that U shape again, and have it stop right about here. Almost imagine, maybe a little bit further down, imagine this continuing across, okay? And then we're gonna do another U shape, like this on the inside. Just like that, okay? And now we're gonna take those lines, we're gonna make lines that continue out across. So one line here, it comes across these U shapes and connects them, okay? And then we'll do another one right here, and then stop, right about there. And then we're gonna take that, actually let's make it go just a little bit longer. These lines go a little bit longer, just like that. And now we're gonna put an arc at the bottom and connect it, just like that. So now on this side, we're gonna do the same thing, except we're gonna go under. Imagine this going underneath, so there's no line here, but it starts on this side, and we're gonna continue that line all the way across. So watch this. Start here, and then you go straight across just like that. Same thing, we'll start here, and we'll do another line, and we'll stop right there. Okay, and now we're gonna finish that off with an arc. Okay, and then you can connect, if you have any space, you can connect that here with another line. All right, and then we're gonna make 2 arcs. Imagine this goes underneath. We're not gonna draw here, but we're gonna start right here, and we're gonna create an arc that goes all the way. Imagine where this would go. It would go to right about here. So if we have an arc that continues over here, you can imagine that it goes underneath this piece and continues here and then comes around. So now we're going to do the same thing. We'll start here. Imagine this going underneath this piece, and then we have another arc that comes around and it joins to where it would meet here and goes underneath. Okay, great. So now this is our pretzel shape. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put a bunch of circles. Are you ready? I may go really fast, but you can pause this video at any point and put all of the circles on. And what we're doing is we're putting salt on our pretzel. Now, if you like pretzels without salt, that is completely fine. You do not have to draw any more, but we're gonna put some salt on right now. Ready? Let's get our salt shakers out. And you can place these however you want, wherever you want, all around. Lots of circles. Now I'm going to add more circles just around to make it look like they're on the edges. Now I'm going to add in, to finish this off, I'm going to add in a thick line around the whole pretzel. Ready? Watch this. Thick line, and you can go around the salt that's on the edges, just like this. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook. Look at our pretzel! Wow, what a great drawing, everybody. Great job. I'm so proud of you. Today, we learned how to make a pretzel with just a few basic lines and shapes. What color are you going to make your pretzel? Wow. All right, thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.